work out this problem for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to graph this in chunks. So this first one is y equals -4 between -4 and -1. So we're wanting to graph that line, -4, which is just a horizontal line. So I'm going to select this segment, and it's going to be from -4 to -1. So x is -4, and here's -4, and I need to be down at -4. To -1. Okay, so that's the segment y equals -4 from -4 to -1. And then notice there's not an equal sign underneath either of those. So we're going to use open circles on the endpoints. Then we have the line y equals x. Well, that's pretty easy. Y equals x is a line hopefully that you recognize. So -1, 1 would be a point on that because y equals x. And then 3, 3 would also be a point on that. And then notice we have equals underneath the -1. So that's going to be a closed circle. But then we have an open circle at 3. Lastly, we have the parabola. So this parabola, I know that it opens down because of this negative, and it should have an intercept of 9. So I know the parabola should be up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it should look like this. But we're only wanting to graph the part to the left of 3. So if I'm to plug in 3 here, -3 squared plus 9 gives us this order of operations. You would do this first and then multiply times the -1. So it would be -9 plus 9, which is 0. So I know at 3, it should be at 0. So basically you're wanting to use these 2 points to graph your parabola. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose the parabola option. I'm going to go to 9 to place my vertex, but then I'm going to open it down. Now you have to pick a point. I'm going to pick the point 3, 0 here. That's where it's going to open to. Now I don't want this whole graph. I only want the part starting from 3 onward. So I'm going to select cut, and I'm going to cut it from that point 3, 0 because, so 3, 0, and then you're going to pick the eraser and erase the part you don't want. And then you're going to put a closed circle here. So that should be our right answer. Let's check it. And we got it correct. So hopefully that helps a little bit. It's a little tricky navigating that parabola tool.